In our Unity scene, there is a single Unity primitive, a single cube. As we can see, each of its sides are made up of two triangles. As we can see that I'm here in shaded wireframe view. And so the face where my cursor is now has this triangle, and those two pieces working together represent the single face of that cube. All of these triangles are made up of vertices, the points where the edges connect, and then the edges which connect the two vertices, and then they combine to make groups of triangles which then create a face of this 3D object. As we begin to learn ProBuilder, which will be the tool that has been incorporated into Unity to do simple editing of meshes, we're going to need to keep in mind the distinction between vertices, edges, and faces. Also, it's important to remember that an object is actually a collection of all of these taken together. And so sometimes we'll want to work with an object or subcomponents of that object. Now, we can't do this with a Unity primitive, but we can do this with a ProBuilder primitive, and that's what we'll look at next.